Trailer for sailoring. Trailer for sailoring. Ain't got no cigarettes, but trailer for sailoring. Give, give,
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Faito. Thank you so much for the subscriptions that you're showing to my channel. I really appreciate you guys. You're the amazing gifts in this planet Earth. I really mean it. This is guys the situation it is here. Let's see, this is Mombasa. It's raining. Cats and dogs. See, it's raining. And now, see, getting out. And I told you guys I like this region very much, and that's why I normally come this area. So so far so good. It's raining, but isn't Kapoa? Guys, so those are the kids. Whenever you see them, you say hello. And I told you the best thing about here in Mombasa. You only say hello. It's very important. So guys, the situation it is, you can see that the water everywhere. Guys, the drainage in this region is not that good. The drainage is very bad. But then, so guys, you can see, what do you see there? See water floating everywhere. So it's raining actually here. So I'm having an umbrella with me here. So it's as usual. The area is very cold, guys. You can see me in a sweater. It's very cold, guys. So I really like this region, because of the situation of the village life. Nzuri. Kwa nini? Guys, these are the area residents are saying that this region is having a poor drainage. But for me, I don't care. I think I love this. So far, so pass. See that? See that light? Oh my God! See here? So, God, see that drainage there? It is actually raining. Oh my God! Every corner is water. So I need to look for a place where I can just pass, like not to get some water spilled on me. Ah, but there's some more guys. So it is what it is, guys. This is Africa, and these are the regions I love most because now, you know, um, when it's raining and you see some mud on your feet, and when you're going to work, you feel good. Yeah. So see this flowers still green. So actually So see that's which area. See there. It's the village life, guys. Read. So tell me, what do you think about the drainage of this area? What do you think? Guys, I mean, how can people do this? Wow. Everyone residents have started to make the drainage work. You can see what is everywhere. Oops. Wow. See that? Oops. What a yeah. See this picture. And actually, people have started to just clean by themselves. Drainage by themselves. Yeah. The water so that they can pass. See, they are having everything clear. Yeah. So far, so good. Oh my guys, see this drainage, guys. Oh my god, this is Mombasa. It's falling. It's Mombasa town now. See the drainage of Mombasa town, guys. See. Oh my god. What a beauty town in Mombasa. We need to do something. We need to do something. See the drainage, guys. This is Mombasa, Judah. I had to come here because of the drainage the other side, but I will turn there. I told you that I will be taking videos from the other side because it was amazing. Like the life is like of that village. I like village life so much. So I'm going back. This is Mombasa town now.
Thanks for watching till and please subscribe to my channel. We are on a road to 1000 subscribers. We are almost reaching there, guys. I love you so much. Thank you for the support. Thank you for your subscriptions. Goodbye.